To reconnect your Vive 3-wheel power scooter, start by moving the drive lever from drive mode to manual mode. This is freewheel, which disconnects the wheels from the motor, allowing the wheels to roll independently. You'll then tip the rear section back onto the grab bar and the anti-tip wheels, exposing these metal pins. These pins will be hooked by these hooks on the back of the front section. Hang on to the tiller to stabilize and lift the front section up. Bring it together to hook onto those hooks. Once those are in place, keep hold of the tiller, tip the rear section forward until it fastens back together with the latch in the center. Take the battery connection cable, plug that back in, and screw that down to secure. And engage drive mode again. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.